Are you ready for a journey where love begins not with a choice but with fate? In Turkish dramas, forced marriages often bring unexpected twists, deep emotions, and heart-wrenching moments. If you're new to Turkish series, don't worry, these captivating stories are available with English subtitles. So, sit back and get ready, because here are the top 12 forced marriage Turkish dramas of 2025. Let's begin. 12. KZLCK Serbeti, Cranberry Sherbet. Asıl and Burak come from two rival families that have been at odds for generations. Both strong-willed and independent, they are caught in the middle of a long-standing conflict between their parents, who run competing cranberry sherbet businesses. To end the bitter rivalry, their families force them into marriage, but neither Asıl nor Burak is willing to accept defeat. As their clashes turn into sparks of understanding, could their forced marriage lead to something neither of them expected? To know what happens next, watch KZLCK Serbeti. 11. Can Size Clary, Blood Flowers. Dil and Baran never wanted to be tied to each other, but their families left them no choice. A blood feud spanning generations forces them into marriage in hopes of ending the violence. While their union may have stopped the fighting, their hearts remain locked in battle. Hatred, misunderstandings, and family pressures push them apart, but as they face challenges together, something starts to shift. Will they find love in a marriage born from duty? Find out in Can Size Clary. 10. Sapphire. Aylin is a skilled jewelry designer with big dreams, but those dreams are shattered when she is forced to marry Kerim, the heir of a wealthy jewelry empire. Kerim, arrogant and detached, sees Aylin as nothing more than an obstacle. But as they are forced to work together in the family business, sparks begin to fly, not of anger, but of something deeper. Can a marriage built on obligation turn into one of love and passion? Watch Sapphire to uncover their story. 9. Hududsuz Sevda, Boundless Love. Elif is an artist who sees the world through colors and emotions, while Ali is a disciplined soldier who follows rules and logic. Their worlds couldn't be more different, yet fate forces them together in a marriage neither of them wants. Elif refuses to be caged, while Ali struggles with the idea of love. As time passes, will they find a way to meet in the middle, or will their differences drive them apart forever? To find out, watch Hududsuz Sevda. 8. KZL Gonkela, Redbirds. Leela and Mert's marriage isn't about love, it's about business. Two powerful families, desperate to secure their wealth and status, force their children into a union neither of them desires. Both determined to resist, they make a secret pact to never fall for each other. But as they spend time together, hidden truths and unexpected emotions begin to surface. Will they continue fighting their fate, or will love bloom like redbuds in the spring? Watch KZL Gonkela to discover their journey. 7. Gelin, the Bride. Zeynep is a simple village girl who dreams of love, but when her family falls into debt, she is married off to Emir, a cold and distant businessman. Emir, still grieving a lost love, sees Zeynep as nothing more than a responsibility. Thrown into a luxurious, yet lonely world, Zeynep struggles to find her place. Will she melt Emir's frozen heart, or will she forever remain a stranger in her own home? Watch Gelin to find out. 6. Siyakalp, Black Heart. Asia's world shatters when she is forced to marry Simil, a ruthless businessman, to protect her brother from a dangerous debt. Simil, used to control and power, believes love is a weakness. But Asia's kindness begins to break down his walls, revealing the man behind the mask. Can a forced marriage, filled with pain and secrets, turn into a story of redemption? Watch Siyakalp to see how their story unfolds. 5. Sahib Sizla, The Abandoned Ones. a tragic love story. Set in the heart of Istanbul, this drama follows 6 siblings who are left orphaned after their parents' untimely deaths. Bala and Afat's love story was never meant to be torn apart by a powerful man's obsession. Now, their children fight to stay together, navigating the dangers of the streets and the cruelty of the world. Can they survive against all odds? Find out in Sahib Sizila. 4. Uzak Sahir, distant city. Ebru and Sarkan have nothing in common, except for one thing, a marriage neither of them wanted. Haunted by their pasts, they struggle to trust each other. But in the quiet moments, they begin to see each other for who they truly are. Can their pain turn into healing? Or will the ghosts of their pasts pull them apart? Watch Uzak Sahir to uncover their fate. 3. Zembeli. At the foot of the Taurus Mountains, a small village holds stories of love, heartbreak, and deep family ties. 4 childhood friends find their fates intertwined in a web of traditions and unspoken emotions. With arranged marriages, hidden secrets, and clashing dreams, will they follow the path set for them or fight for their own destinies? Watch Zembeli to find out. 2. Ezaret, captivity. Orhun, a man driven by revenge, forces Hira into marriage, believing she had a hand in his sister's fate. But as he uncovers the truth, his hatred starts to waver. Hira, who once feared him, begins to see the man beneath the anger. Will their forced bond lead to forgiveness, or will the past destroy them? Watch Ezaret to witness their journey. 1. Yal Capn, the Kingfisher. Ferret, a reckless playboy, is forced into marriage with Seyran, a modest young woman from a conservative family. They are opposites in every way, but fate has tied them together. As they navigate their arranged marriage, unexpected emotions begin to bloom. Will love conquer their differences, or will their pasts tear them apart? Find out in Yal Cap. These gripping dramas prove that love can be found even in the most unexpected circumstances. Which of these dramas intrigues you the most? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more drama recommendations.